Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I start from the question number 5 of exercise 8a. We have to find the value of each of the following. Value means we have to find the answer of A part and B part. A part is 50% of $70. So first of all, I will remove the sign of percentage and by removing it, I will write 100 in the denominator. Now by using calculator, it will become $35. We can also calculate it mentally. 50% means 50 over 100. 50 over 100 means 1 over 2. So we have to find 1 over 2 of $70. 1 over 2 means in the two parts of $70, we want one part. So two equal parts of $70 are 35 and 35 and one part is $35. Now B part, 80% of 4.5 meter. So firstly remove the sign of percentage. And by using calculator, it will become 3.6 meter. Again, without using calculator, 80% means 80 over 100. 80 over 100 will become 8 over 10, then 4 over 5. 4 over 5 of 4.5. So 4 over 5 means we will make 5 equal parts of 4.5 and consider 4 parts. Then you will get 3.6 meter. 5 parts of 4.5 will be of 0.9 meter and 4 parts will become 3.6 meter. Now I start question number 10. Question number 10 is similar to question number 5. In A part we have to find 6 and 1 over 5% of 1.35 milliliter. So firstly, you can convert it into an improper fraction or decimal form. Into an improper fraction form, it will become 31 over 5% of. Now by removing percentage sign, we will divide 31 over 5 by 100. (31 over 5 divided by 100 will become 31 over 5 multiplied with the reciprocal of 100. Now by using calculator, it will become 0.0837 milliliter or 837 over 10,000 milliliter. In B part we have to find So firstly again convert it into an improper fraction or decimal form. 455 over 8. Now by removing a sign of percentage, we will divide with 100. Now it will become 455 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by 810. 460.6875 meter, or in mixed form 460 and 11 over 16 meter. Now I do C and D part. So in C part, 0.56% of 15,000 liter. Question is similar to the previous parts. It will become 0.56 over 100 multiplied by 15,000 liter. Now by using calculator, 84 liters. 0.56 percentage of 15,000 liter means 0.56 parts out of 100 parts of 15,000. हम 15,000 के 100 इक्वल पार्ट्स करेंगे और उसमें से 0.56 पार्ट्स लेंगे. अब 0.56 पार्ट्स कैसे लिए जा सकते हैं? 15,000 को 100 से डिवाइड करें, 100 पार्ट्स हो जाएंगे और एक पार्ट का साइज आ जाएगा 150. और 0.56 पार्ट्स एग्जैक्टली तो हमने फाइंड कर लिए. 0.56 पार्ट्स कैसे आ सकते हैं? 0.56 नियरली 1 का हाफ है, तो 1 पार्ट तो 150 साइज का बना था, उसका भी हाफ कर दें 2 से डिवाइड करके तो 75 आता है. लेकिन 1 का हाफ तो एग्जैक्ट 0.5 है, लेकिन हमारे पास थोड़ा ज़्यादा है 0.56. हमारा हाफ पार्ट आया 75, तो 0.56 क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है तो इसलिए 75 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा आंसर आया. नाउ डी पार्ट, 2000% of 5 cents. It is a symbol of cent. 2000 over 100 multiplied by 5. Now by using calculator it will be 100 cents. 100 cents means $1. So it means we have taken 100 parts of 5 cents. 5 divided by 100, you will get size of 1 part. And we have to consider, we have to take 2000 parts of the same size, which has become 100 cents or $1. Now I do question number 7. In question number 7, we are given 120 cars. Also 30% of them, 30% of them means 30% of 120 cars are blue. Given that total cars 120 and 30% of total cars are blue. %30 of them, 30% of 120. We have to find the numbers of cars which are not blue. So firstly we find blue cars. By using calculator, we will get 36. Now cars which are not blue. Total cars minus blue cars. We will get cars which are not blue. Now I do question number 12. In question number 12, we are given a company had 12,000 employees. Total employees, total workers, 12,000. During the financial crisis in 2008, 2.5% of them, it means 2.5% of 12,000 employees were retrenched. So, retrenched employees now by simplifying, we will get 300. 50.75% of them had a pay cut. Pay cuts implies %50.75% of them. Them means total employees, 12,000. 50.75 multiplied by 12,000 divided by 100, 6,090. And the rest were unaffected. Rest means remaining employees. Total employees minus retrenched employees minus pay cuts employees, we will get rest of the employees which were unaffected. And also we have to find the number of employees who were unaffected by the financial crisis. Total employees minus retrenched employees, which is 300, minus pay cuts employees, which is 6,090. We will get the rest of the employees which are unaffected. Your assignment is you must practice these questions. Thank you, students. In the next lecture, we will discuss more problems related with the percentage.